What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. As you know, I love my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, but I like to wear a prescription, or maybe I wanted to change the color of my lenses. And if I do it directly through Ray-Ban/Meta, it's extremely expensive. Well, you have other options, and VRWave is that option. And they're today's sponsor for our video today. Now, they offer replaceable lenses at a fraction of the cost of basically everyone else. So I'll put the link down below to check it out, but I want to show you what these lenses look like. They're really, really good quality. So the lenses come in this really nice little zipper bag that you get right here. And then from there, they're in these little plastic baggies to keep them smudge free. Now you can get prescription lenses or sunglasses or a mixture of both. And these ones are going to be some clear reading glasses. And then I also have some sunglasses as well. And you get polarization and blue light filtering and a bunch of other things inputted into your glasses and or sunglasses. Now, the first thing you want to do is take out your lenses. So I would recommend turning your sunglasses off, your Ray-Ban Meta. So turn them off. There's a little switch right there. So switch it to the back so it turns them off. And then you want to pop these out. So I'm going to just push here around the lens, and eventually they will pop out so that I can take them out. Now, what I love about these is right when you take them out, it tells you exactly which one it's for. And they even give you numbers on where to push. You push out for one first, then two, then three. So here we go. We'll start from the front of these, and we are just going to get them kind of lined up and situated. And we're going to push it 1, 2, 3. And they are in that easy. And then we're just going to peel off this little plastic thing here. And we'll do the same thing with the right lens here. Get it all lined up. Looks like we do. We're going to go 1, 2, and then 3 at the bottom there. And then we'll just peel this off. There's also protective coverings on the inside as well. So you just want to peel that off. All right, I got these on. These are really nice and dark. Definitely great for the sunshine, to block all that sun out. Polarized and really good quality for sure. One of the things you want in a sunglass is, like, for that good quality lens, you want it to be backed by a company that has been doing this for a bit, and VRWave has been doing that. And VRWave actually not only does this for the Meta glasses, they do it for like a bunch of other electronic devices. I know they do it for the Apple Vision Pro and the other VR headsets. So definitely want to check out their other stuff too, in case you don't have the Ray-Ban Metas, or if you do. But yeah, these are great for that. They are really clear and really easy to install as well. So these are the sunglasses, and I will switch over to the regular glasses, the clear ones they sent me as well. Now there's the clear lenses, and you can see super clear, really good quality. I have a 2X lens on here so I can see everything like super clear, high definition. That's the way I like to call it when I have these on, because they make me feel like I'm young again wearing these. But I love these lenses. They're super clear, and they work great with what I'm trying to do on the computer or anywhere else that I need to read or just see stuff higher up. Now, what's also great about these is that they do have transition lenses. So if you wanted lenses that were clear indoors, and then when you go outside, they would transition to a different color, they have those as well. So that's awesome. They have all of that all on one store, so you can pick up whatever you want. You have the options, and you get it for a much better price than you can directly with Ray-Ban Meta or anyone else. And you can probably tell these are transition lenses. So obviously, like, I was kind of joking a little bit saying they were clear, and they're clear lenses, but when you bring them outside, they will transition to a darker color. So it's a little bit easier to see outdoors with them. So you always have that option. You can go just clear, you can do clear/transition lenses like these, or you can do just a traditional sunglass. So here's a quick look at the website. You can get their tinted lenses, you can get the photochromic lenses, or just plain old clear lenses. And then from there, you can get a fully tinted lens, a gradient lens, or even a polarized lens. You have a multitude of colors to choose from. You can also input your prescription that you would need for your sunglasses or glasses on here. And you can also choose different types of frames, all different sizes. I use the large Wayfarer. And I just want to repeat, the VRWave lenses are such a great way to get different colored sunglasses or prescription lenses or a reading glass or whatever you're looking for to be able to get that at a fraction of the price that it's going to cost to go through your eye doctor or a regular eye facility or directly through Ray-Ban Meta, it's much less expensive, especially for the people that either have bad insurance here in America or no insurance at all. This is a much better option. So I'll link it down below for you guys to check out. It works really well. The transition happens fairly quick. And also the regular sunglasses are nice and dark for my eyes so I can be protected from that with all of the special UV ray protection and all of that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.